Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Heartopia not launching or crashing on Android.
Fix 1. Restart your phone. Step 1. Hold the power button. Step 2. Tap Restart. Step 3. Open Heartopia again. Fix 2. Check internet connection. Step 1. Turn Wi-Fi/mobile data off. Step 2. Turn on again. Step 3. Try launching the game. Fix 3. Clear Heartopia cache. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Heartopia. Step 2. Tap Storage. Step 3. Tap Clear Cache. Fix 4. Update Heartopia apps. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. Step 2. Search Heartopia. Step 3. Tap Update. Fix 5. Update Android system. Step 1. Go to Settings, Software Update. Step 2. Download and install update. Step 3. Restart phone. Fix 6. Free up storage space. Step 1. Go to Settings, Storage. Step 2. Delete unused apps/files. Step 3. Reopen Heartopia.